Hi, thanks for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries. We can lift dumpsters, we can lift residential cans all on the same system. Our hybrid truck is designed to make sure you as a startup company are not limited when you're starting this business. And what separates EWI from the others out there is we're a full in-house manufacturer. Starting November, we are designing and developing our own lifters to our spin heads to our generators. This allows EWI to give you better product warranties, better customer service, better support when it comes to our systems in a whole. Furthermore, this allows us to evolve our product line. There's all types of different styles, sizes of solid waste containers out there throughout the market. There has been cases, clients come to us and requesting a certain type of lifter for a certain type of container, and it doesn't exist. EWI now today can take whatever demand it is and develop whatever system we need to develop to help this industry move forward. These are huge municipality opportunities. If you don't have the right equipment to execute the service that is needed, then no active business today would be able to grow, move forward, evolve their business, scale their business. Our goal here at EWI is to create new leaders to help this service become normal in the solid waste industry.
If you're watching our videos, I just wanted to add this. I know that you've seen our other videos. We just moved into a brand new facility about 5 months ago, but right across the street, the management offered us bigger space. They recognized our trucks in the bays and asked, do we need more space? We said, absolutely. Let me give you a quick tour of what we're gonna be moving into come November 1st. Now, don't mind the pre-construction, it's kind of nasty. By next week, we'll have new flooring, new paint, all that good stuff. This is just the office area. And this is what it's all about. Let me show you. 14,500 square foot of working space to evolve our products, give you the best customer service, the best warranties. We're an in-house manufacturer. We're building everything right here in this facility. We're giving you, again, the Kickstarter package to help you save money, know how to do this business, because we're a company in this business doing the service that you want to be part of. Learn from a company who's doing it, not talking about it. I appreciate your time. Come work with this. Give us a call anytime. I'll get on the phone with you and I'll tell you what worked and what didn't. I look forward to hearing from you. Once again, my name is Greg Aganowski. Make it a great day.